Have you ever noticed that your reality feels like a movie playing in your head? Your mind is the projector. And the film you load into it, that's what you end up watching in life. But here's the twist. Most people do it backward. They project what they see instead of seeing what they consciously choose to project. Let's break that down. A wealthy person wakes up in luxury, breakfast in bed, a view to die for. They stretch, walk onto the balcony and think, maybe a yacht ride today, or a quick trip to the Alps. That's not wishful thinking. That's them simply acknowledging their current reality. Meanwhile, someone struggling financially wakes up to a pile of problems. Everything around them feels heavy, gray, and exhausting. They check their wallet and mentally calculate what to skip this week just to survive. Same thing. They're also just describing their current reality. Both are doing the same thing, watching the movie that's already playing, and unknowingly feeding it more power. Here's the catch. Neither of them chose this movie. It just happened. One got lucky, the other didn't. But the core principle is the same for both. What you focus on, you reinforce. What you reinforce becomes your life. Now here's where it gets interesting. Life isn't static. The film can change any moment. A wealthy person might start noticing signs of danger, bad news, shaky markets. Fear creeps in. Suddenly they start imagining losing everything. What happens? Their mind loads a new film, the one with financial ruin. And that film starts playing. On the flip side, someone who's struggling might notice a small shift, a job lead, a chance meeting, a spark of hope. It lifts them. They start imagining a better life. And their projector begins to roll a whole new story. Here's the big truth. Most people don't choose what's playing in their mind. They let life decide. Imagine this. You're walking down the street with a goal in mind. Suddenly, a stranger grabs your hand and drags you somewhere else, and you just go with it. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what we allow to happen with our thoughts. We think we're in control, but our mind runs on autopilot. It plays whatever it wants. Worry, regret, fear, doubt. We don't even notice. To change your life, you have to become the director of your mental movie. Don't project what you see. Project what you want to see. Most people are like receivers, passively absorbing whatever life throws at them. But you're here to become a broadcaster. At first, your new film might feel out of place, like trying to stream a new show on a dusty old channel. The old program will keep trying to sneak in. But if you keep broadcasting your new vision, consistently and deliberately, the scenery will begin to shift. Old patterns fade. New ones take their place. Eventually, your reality aligns with the script you've been choosing. That's how thoughts become reality. And here's the only rule you need to remember. If you want a thought to manifest, you must hold your focus on it long enough, consistently enough, until it becomes real. And here's the next step on your journey. If you're ready to become the director of your reality, there's one more thing you must do. Clear the mental clutter. Because no matter how powerful your projector is, if the lens is covered in noise, distortion, and outside programming, your reality will stay blurry. In the next video, we'll dive into how to clear the information junk from your mind and make space for the life you actually want to live. Subscribe and hit the bell. You're not just watching videos here, you're changing your life.